How significant will XRP be in Ripple's future? A new in-principle license has been received from Singapore's monetary authority. Millions of XRP tokens have been stolen, and their daring escape is revealing a complicated web of money laundering. Is Bitcoin maximalist Max Kaiser, who has criticized XRP for being too centralized, correct in his assessment? More importantly, Ford warns that BlackRock's involvement in a Bitcoin ETF will cause a $15 trillion earthquake in the cryptocurrency market. How, though, will this affect the need for XRP? Today's video will discuss the long-term prospects for XRP, so pay close attention since this is information you won't want to miss. If you're new here, you can enter the giveaway by subscribing to the channel and activating post alerts by clicking the bell. Keep in mind that this is not a video offering financial guidance. A pro-XRP attorney, Johnny Deaton, has given his thoughts on Ripple's recent in-principle clearance from Singapore's monetary authority. Attorney Deaton tweeted about the development a few days ago, calling it fairly significant given that fewer than 20 organizations in the country have been granted such a license. Particularly noteworthy is Attorney Deaton's claim that XRP's price did not react to the news, despite the planned use of the cryptocurrency. The XRP price, he continued, should respond to Ripple's efforts to earn profits because all XRP holders are embedded in a shared enterprise. Deaton, however, claims that XRP has followed the same path as Bitcoin and the general economic climate. Only Australian-based lawyer Bill Morgan questioned Ripple's president Monica Long if the license refers to all transactions that incorporate XRP, which Deaton addressed in his tweet in response to questions about whether the in-principle license would allow for its use in transactions. Deaton acknowledged that the use of XRP would be allowed under the license, notwithstanding Morgan's assertion that not all transactions utilize XRP. It's worth noting that Ripple recently made headlines after the Monetary Authority of Singapore gave its in-principle approval of a large payments institution license. Fewer than 20 companies worldwide have been granted such a license, making Ripple one of them. Ripple Markets Asia Pacific, a wholly owned subsidiary of Ripple, will now be able to grow the on-demand liquidity offering in Singapore thanks to the in-principle license. It's important to remember that AUD uses XRP for international transactions. Many anticipate a sharp increase in XRP prices following Ripple's announcement of a license agreement in principle. The coin, however, did not show any notable upward rise. Although it's tempting to attribute the price increase to the news, a closer look reveals that the majority of cryptocurrencies also had small gains around the same time. XRP is trading at about 49 cents right now. Many are scratching their heads about how the SEC came to the conclusion that XRP investors are in a single venture with Ripple. The SEC has been making this argument in its ongoing litigation against Ripple, which has lasted over 2 years. Judge Torres has not yet set a date for issuing a summary judgment ruling. The matter will be closed by the end of the year, according to Ripple. Recent claims from Circular and XRP Forensics suggest that millions of stolen XRP tokens are actively being transferred between centralized and decentralized crypto platforms. These tokens were purportedly stolen by North Korean hackers in the recent atomic wallet incident. As more information becomes available, it becomes clear that the continued redistribution of these stolen tokens is part of a carefully orchestrated scheme by the unknown offenders to evade detection and launder the criminal funds. Insights into this growing drama have been offered by crypto scouts who have been tracking their every step. The process of consolidating and laundering the stolen tokens is intricate. The criminals used a well-thought-out plan that included many blockchains and fast exchanges. In the first stage of their scheme, they amalgamated the stolen funds into a single account. The funds were then sent to the Orbit bridge, making the switch to the Clay blockchain simple. To get to the Avalanche platform, the stolen XRP tokens were first traded for KLR, then transferred to Ethereum. The stolen money was converted to Bitcoin and sent to the Bitcoin network, significantly complicating the tracing procedure. There are only about 4 million XRP tokens left after about 14 million have been passed through the bridge. By today's end, experts believe the criminals will have completed their XRP-related actions. In response to a tweet by pro-Ripple lawyer John Deaton about Bitcoin and the SEC, famous Bitcoin enthusiast and BTC advisor to El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele, Max Keiser, offered his thoughts on XRP as well. But this time, Keiser abstained from labeling XRP a scam or equivalent term. He countered that XRP is overly centralized. In a recent tweet, crypto law pioneer John Deaton blasted Bitcoin maximalists for their incoherence. According to Deaton, these so-called libertarians have been on record supporting the SEC's attacks on cryptocurrency firms and the regulators' choices that have hurt the industry overall, with the exception of Bitcoin. He pointed out the hypocrisy, adding that many Bitcoin maximalists hypocritically claim to be libertarians while simultaneously cheering the SEC's vast and outrageous overreach. In response, Keiser said that only Bitcoin is immune to government oversight. He thinks the SEC will keep attacking XRP because the cryptocurrency is too centralized to thrive in the contentious market where the SEC works. XRP fans with over 112,000 subscribers recently tweeted that the XRP community is eagerly awaiting 3 key events connected to the 6th largest cryptocurrency, after Keiser's statement about a month ago that XRP is a security, which sparked heated discussions within the XRP community. The first is the January World Economic Forum, where the outcome of the Ripple case in court is expected to be announced. In an interview, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse predicted that the judge's ruling would be made public in the first half of 2023. The XRP community has high hopes that the resolution process will be sped up by the SEC's recent publication of the Hinman emails in response to court orders. The XRP community is rooting for a non-security designation for the cryptocurrency. The second expected occurrence is the price of XRP breaking previous records due to a favorable legal ruling. The third and last development is the resignation of SEC Chair Gary Gensler. After the SEC brought numerous lawsuits against cryptocurrency companies while Gensler was in charge, some U.S. senators introduced legislation to remove him as chairman. Let's get down to business and answer today's burning question. How can the approaching $15 trillion earthquake in the crypto market affect XRP demand? If you want to be among the first to know about any new developments with XRP, be sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. A recent article in Forbes magazine warned of a seismic upheaval in the cryptocurrency sector, with XRP at its heart. The report, headlined "A New Wave Major Bank Reveals a $15 trillion Earthquake," provides insight into a monumental event that has the potential to shake cryptocurrencies like XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. The first sign of trouble was when BlackRock, the largest asset. The end of the show for today, fellas. How do you feel about XRP? Participate and tell us what you think in the comments section. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you liked this video and want to be notified whenever we release a new video covering the latest XRP and cryptocurrency news, be sure to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications located just below the video. See you later, bye.